To buy Ape Coin using Uniswap, you first need to have a digital wallet that supports Ethereum, such as MetaMask. If you don't have one, download and install it. Then create a new wallet and make sure to save your seed phrase in a safe place. Next, go to the Uniswap website and click on the Launch App button. Then connect your wallet to Uniswap by clicking on the Connect Wallet button and selecting your wallet provider from the list. After connecting your wallet, you will see the swap interface where you can buy Ape Coin. In the From field, select the cryptocurrency you want to use to buy Ape Coin, such as Ethereum, and in the To field, search for Ape Coin and select it. Before making the trade, make sure to check the estimated gas fee and the amount of Ape Coin you will receive. If everything looks good, click on the Swap button. Then confirm the transaction in your wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed, you can check your wallet to see that you now own Ape Coin. It is also a good idea to add Ape Coin to your wallet so you can easily see your balance and track the coin's value over time. To add Ape Coin to your wallet, go to your wallet, click on Add Token, then search for Ape Coin and select it. You can now see your Ape Coin balance and track its value in your wallet. Remember to always be careful when making trades and to do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency market can be volatile, and prices can fluctuate rapidly. So make sure to only invest what you can afford to lose.